Srimad Bhagavatam, first canto, text 832. Ketitahunahayatam punya slokasa kirtaye yara priyasya mahanaye malayas yevakandanam. Some say that the unborn is born for the glorification of pious kings, and others say that he is born to please King Yadu, one of your dearest devotees. You appear in this family as Thunderbolt appears in the Malaya hills. So, appearance and disappearance of Supreme is very difficult to understand, because there's no any external reason why Supreme appears. Because he appears because he wants to appear. So when we do something or plan to do something, there's always some motives behind. So that's why our actions can be understood, because there's some motive, some reason why we act in certain ways. But when the Supreme acts, there's no any external reason, there's no any external reason. Only love is the ultimate reason. Other love for his devotees, for the living beings. He appears, disappears, but there's no any external motives. In our case, action can be understood because there's external motives. Supreme appears only out of his own sweet will, and that will is the ultimate reason why he appears or disappears, because that's the ultimate. The Supreme's will is absolute. It is said also that Supreme incarnate himself when the spiritual understanding gets lost. So yoga moves, spiritual realization moves from the person to person, moves in the parampara, disciplic succession. And if this chain gets broken, then the Supreme will appear, incarnate down, and re-establish the Dharma. Or if it gets corrupted, if it disappears or gets corrupted, Supreme will appear. It's a little bit like a Bhagavad Gita. Krishna was explaining to Arjuna the teachings of the Gita, and his goal was to re-establish Dharma, because it was lost, because the parampara was broken. So yoga moves from person to person, person to person, through the souls. The spiritual understanding is imparted. God has unlimited forms. Supreme can appear in any life forms because he don't have any limitations. And when he appears, he don't accept material body as we do. But he appear through his internal energy, through his conscious energy, Chit Shakti. So his appearance, he don't accept the material body, because he's the absolute. He's always in the spiritual position, because ultimately matter is also spirit, in that sense that it emanates from the spirit, and everything that comes from the Supreme is because the Supreme's nature is absolute. Everything which emanates from the Supreme is absolute as well. So even the matter ultimately is spiritual. But we cannot, through the matter, we cannot understand the spiritual nature of the matter. But by connecting back to the source, you can understand the spiritual nature of the practice, the spiritual nature of the material manifestation. So matter can be seen as a spirit through the spirit. But if you try to see the matter as a spirit through our matter, through our senses, matter senses, that doesn't work so well. And the supreme, because everything is the energy of the supreme matter and spirit, the individual souls, us, and also the prakriti, the material nature, they all come from the same source. And because that source is absolute, also these are absolute. This means that these are also spiritual by nature, from the ultimate perspective. Everything is spirit. Supreme is pure, as is our eternal Sanatana Dharma, our eternal spiritual position. Essence is the pure. But sometimes because of the Maya, because of the Prakriti, when the small spirit soul gets illusioned by the material nature, then we forget our real constitutional position, and the Ishvara, God, remembers. God never forgets, and God appears through his avatars, or by empowering the living beings through the scriptures to remind us of our eternal spiritual position. Srimad Bhagavatam, Ijai.